If you're looking for a fast and easy way to streamline client billing and follow-up, this quick tutorial is going to save you hours every month and potentially thousands in missed payments. Stick around because I'll walk you through the exact steps I use, and there's a free trial link in the description below so you can follow along using the same software I recommend. Now, I've tested all the big names in the space. Some were bloated, others were missing key features. What I'm going to show you today is, hands down, the most efficient way to automate client billing and follow-ups without feeling like you're wrestling with clunky software or chasing clients manually. Step 1. Set up your client database. Inside the software we're using, you can either import a CSV file or manually add clients. Make sure each client profile includes an email, billing address, and preferred payment method. This is crucial because the automation relies on this data to run smoothly. Step 2. Create your service packages or invoice templates. Instead of starting from scratch every time, create templates for the services you bill most often, whether that's hourly consulting, flat rate projects, or retainers. This saves a ton of time and keeps your invoices consistent and professional. Step 3. Set up your billing automation. In the dashboard, go to the Billing tab and select Recurring Invoices or One-Time Billing, depending on your needs. You can schedule invoices to go out automatically, weekly, monthly, or on custom dates, and link them directly to your payment processor so you get paid faster. Now here's where most people drop the ball: client follow-up. You want to automate reminders without annoying your clients. In the follow-up settings, you can configure email sequences that trigger if a payment hasn't been received after a certain number of days. For example, a polite reminder at 3 days, a firm nudge at 7, and a final notice at 14. It's all editable, and once you set it up once, it runs on autopilot. You can also enable notifications so you're alerted when an invoice is open, viewed, or paid. This gives you real-time insight into your client's behavior and helps you follow up personally when needed. A bonus feature: payment links and embedded checkout forms. You can copy a direct link to any invoice or embed a payment button on your site, making it dead simple for clients to pay you. No logins, no excuses. Now before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Streamlined client billing and follow-up isn't just about getting paid. It's about removing friction so you can focus on delivering value, not chasing invoices. When you automate this process, you free up time, reduce errors, and make your business look 10x more professional. Quick recap. 1. Import your clients. 2. Set up service templates. 3. Automate your billing. 4. Automate polite follow-up sequences. 5. Use payment links and real-time alerts to close the loop. And again, if you want to follow along or try this out risk-free, I've got an exclusive free trial link for viewers of my channel in the description below. Highly recommend you take advantage of that. It's the same tool I use and trust every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.